This is the best micro lure on the market. It's called the Mini Mite, and here is everything that I caught with it. All right, fellas, we started off the day right here on this little roadside canal. You guys can see it leads right into the main lake. Our first bass of the day was this big old girl who went ahead and destroyed this bait. Go ahead and give her a little release. There she goes right back to where she came from. Had to switch sides because we weren't getting any bites to this little shallow creek. Caught ourselves a pretty big panfish before it gave itself a little mud bath. And we ended the day off at this little drainage pipe where we caught the tiniest bass ever. Follow for more content like this.